Subscribe for continuous learning.
In this video, let's solve math challenges to form smallest and largest numbers with given digits. The concept from these videos are used to solve the challenges. Let's start with simple challenges and then move on to more complex challenges. Here is the first challenge. We have to form the largest four-digit number by using the given digits 9, 7, 4, and 0. All these digits can be used only once. That means you cannot put 2 9s or 3 9s in this number. So, option B is clearly not the correct option. Let's cross it off. Now, let's create 4 places where we can start putting digits, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands places. Leftmost place is the most important place to make a number larger or smaller. So, if we want to form the largest number, we have to put the largest of these digits in the leftmost place. What is the largest digit here? It is 9. So let's put 9 at the leftmost place. Now, we are left with 7, 4, and 0. The largest of these 3 digits is 7. We have to now place this 7 at the next place since the leftmost place is already taken. Similarly, we now pick the next largest number, which is 4, and put it in the next place. And finally, we put 0 at the last place. That's it. We got our answer. The answer is C. Next challenge. Here we have to form the smallest number with the given digits, 9, 7, and 5. This is just like the last challenge, but this time we want to form the smallest number. So we need to put the smallest digit in the most important place, the leftmost place. Let's create 3 places here since this is a 3-digit number, ones, tens, and hundreds place. The smallest digit is 5, so put 5 here in the leftmost place. Which digit will come next? The next smallest digit is 7. It has to be placed next. And finally, 9 will come. So we got our answer. It is A. Next challenge. Here we need to arrange the given digits in descending order. Descending order means first we have to put the largest digit, and then as we move right, the digits will go smaller. First, we create 5 places for this 5-digit number. Next, put the largest digit 9 first at the leftmost place, and then put 8, then 5, 1, and at last 0. This gives us B as the answer. Let's move to next one now. We have to form a 4-digit number, so let's first create 4 places. Now, we have to make the smallest number. So what do? We have to put the smallest digit at the leftmost place and then step by step put larger digits towards the right. The smallest value here is 0, and 0 has to come twice in the number. So, if we arrange this way, we get this number, 0035. So, this is the answer, right? Wrong. 0035 means 35, because 0 at the leftmost place of a number does not mean anything. And 35 is a 2-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So this is not our answer. We have to bring both the zeros after a non-zero digit to get a 4-digit number. What is the next smallest digit given here after 0? It is 3. So we put this 3 at the leftmost place, instead of 0. And then we put the zeros after this 3. And since 5 is the largest digit here, we put it at the end. That's it. We are done. This one is a 4-digit number, and it is the smallest number possible with these digits. So the answer is C. Next challenge. Here we have to form the smallest 4-digit number with 7, 8, 9, 4, using them only once. Pretty easy, right? Create 4 places for this 4-digit number, and put these digits smallest to largest. First 4, then 7, then 8, and then 9. So, is this the answer? No, it is not, because the challenge says that we have to keep 9 at hundreds place. So let's put 9 at the hundreds place, and then arrange the rest of the digits, smallest to largest. Just do not use the hundreds place because it is already taken by 9. And here is your answer. The correct answer is C. Next challenge, we have to form the largest 5-digit number with 3 given digits 3, 5, and 0. It is telling us to use each digit at least once. That means each of the digit has to be present in the number. So option D is out. But the challenge does not tell us that digits has to appear only once. That means any digit can appear multiple times. So, to form the largest number, which digit we will like to repeat? Of course, the largest digit 5. We will try to repeat that as many times as possible. But how many times do you think we can repeat 5? Only 3 times. Why? Because we have to also put 3 and 0 in the number. So, if we put 1 3 and 1 0, 2 places are already booked. Rest of the 3 places we can fill by 5. Now, the question is, where do we put which digit? This you already know. These 5s are the largest digits, so they will come at the leftmost 3 places. And then we will place 3, and at last we will place 0. So, the answer is C.
If you like the video, please press like and subscribe buttons below and share it with friends. Let us know in comments what topics you would like us to cover.